Hello everybody, my name is Johan and welcome to my shop. You're probably wondering what has happened. Well, let me tell you, something truly amazing and wonderful has happened. We bought our first house and we've been in the house now for a week. I want to tell you, first off, it has been probably one of my biggest dreams since I can remember when, for me to buy a house for my family. And then, slowly over time, turn it into a home. One of my life's dreams just came true. I cannot begin to tell you how excited that makes me and how grateful I am for this opportunity. So what does this mean? First of all, it means that I now have 36 square meters of dedicated space to build my workshop in, and I own it. So previously, if you've been following along since the beginning, you will have noticed I was in two different shops. However, it was extremely small, it was limited space, often it was shared space, which means there were certain things I could not do. And most importantly, I could not put anything in the walls. The landlords did not want me to drill holes in the walls and all of that. I was kind of limited to things that I could put on the ground and that I could pack on top of one another. This is 36 square meters of unlimited potential, literally. I can put shelves on the wall, I can do literally whatever I want to do. Now I can build a workshop that I can feel comfortable in and that is mine and that I can make purposely for myself. Now that we own our own property, I can delve into other things that I love, like gardening, renovation, stuff like that. So I can finally have a proper vegetable garden. There's a lot of trees on the property that needs maintenance, that hasn't been cared for a long time. I think at this point it's important to say that we bought a fixer-upper. And when I say fixer-upper, I basically mean that the list of everything in the house that's working is this long, and the list of things that are not working, it will fill up this garage basically. So you can expect in future some other things on the channel, me trying to figure out how to do things. A lot of the things I'm gonna have to do in order to renovate this place is things I've never done before. All right, so this is where most of my tools is, power tools, hand tools, those types of things. This is a room like a spare room on the back of the garage that we're not using right now. It's chaos. We've been here a week. I already had to start fixing things and I had to come scrounging through boxes already to try and find some stuff. I don't have any idea how long it's going to take to get it right. The next couple of videos might be a bit funky. The future is currently unknown and I like it. It's exciting because I don't know what's going to happen. Uncharted territory, literally. I want to start with one or two things today. I don't know if I'll get to everything. I don't even know what's going to be in this video. It's exciting times. Before we start working, two things quickly. If you watch right till the end, you will get a bonus random true fact. Number two, I'm going to give you a quick glimpse into what future projects could look like and could be about. Speaking of vegetable gardens, look at my brand new vegetable garden. Isn't it beautiful? I know. There's a lot of weeds, dead trees, and garbage laying on the ground. This is how we found it when we moved in. But the potential is incredible for an amazing vegetable garden. And that is something that we want to try and start quite soon. Another project I have is that I have to replace this top part. I'm going to try and do that today. Fix this thing. It's rusted through. You can see here. The poles are rusted and everything. I have no idea what it is. I have no idea why it was built. I just found it here in this condition. And I thought to myself, by golly, this would be perfect for composting. Of course, I'll have to do a bit of brickwork to get them all to the same level, put a lid on here, get some kind of doors or something going here. So that would be a future project. And then we can start composting. And here we are in the kitchen. Please bear in mind that we've only been here a week. We are still packing out. So there are stuff standing around everything. Oh, wait, you can't see me. That's right. Somebody installed a light above the counter, which is literally lower than my head, and you walk into it the whole time, you bump it and everything. It is literally this far off the counter. I'm dumbfounded. Why would we need a light like this? Maybe it's to light up food. Let me show you some of the other great features that we have built into the kitchen. All right, so if you look here, you'll notice that we have some awesome shelving. This shelving, of course, is below the sink. So I assume this was the result of water damage. I'll have to sort this out at some point. It looks like there's actual soil in the house, or maybe it's an ant hill, or I don't know what this is, but we're gonna have to sort this out. And here we have another awesome shelf. It looks very strong, like we can pack a lot of things on here. Looking forward to sorting this out. The garage, the side door, is fitted with a new weight-reduced slimline door. Let me show you. Now the door's closed. If I want to put anything inside this garage, this is going to have to be one of the things I'm going to sort out. All right, so I'm going to redo this entire thing. The pole is still okay. It needs a bit rust treatment and another coat of spray. The only part I want to salvage from this is these brace pieces. So I'm going to quickly grind them off. I cannot get to any of my work tables, none of them. Everything is packed on top of another, so I'm improvising. I just quickly have to cut 300 mils of this pipe, because this will be the new pipe that will fit over the pole. So I'm going to quickly do that. That is perfect. All right, I'm just going to clean this up a little bit. While I'm busy with this brush, I want to quickly just take this rust off here as well, so we can paint it. All right, time to weld, if I can find the welder. All right, it's finished. Well, almost. Only thing I have to still do now, but I ran out of time, is I have to just clean up the weld a little bit and then paint it, and then it will be done. But it's quite strong. I tried it, really strong. It turns beautifully. Okay, I would call that a great win. Unfortunately, I won't be able to record where I just do the final cleanup and painting. This move has been upside down and I'm literally out of time. I hope you enjoyed this. It was something a little bit different, and I hope that with me you are looking forward to all the new and interesting projects that's going to come and that's going to happen. I myself don't even know what's next and all of that. It's so exciting. So you can follow along while I figure this out and renovate and make new things and build new things and arrange the workshop. I mean, there's so many angles and so many ways it can go. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I really do appreciate it. Please consider subscribing and putting the bell on. Feel free to share this video. Remember your free random fact. Until our next time, make your best life. The only of this pipe, which is going to be the new pipe for the pole. All right, while I'm busy with this brush, I want to, ow. Ah, shit. Now you get a random fact. Here we go. Out of all 8 planets in our solar system, this one is the most coolest, the most fun, and the most awesome to live on. And that is a fact.